Hey guys, welcome to another video. Today I share with you how I have been washing my hair recently. So much has changed and I can't wait to show you. I just took down my braids and shedded hair is still falling out, as you can see. I told you about the job I got at a natural hair salon, right? This has been an incredible learning opportunity for me. I am starting with using oil to finger detangle my hair. My hair is not dry, but it is tangled, and this oil is going to bring me the right amount of flexibility to finger detangle. I am using this opportunity to try these new products I just got. They are from a brand called Kinky Nature. I had to call in all the willpower in me to get my hair wet because this water is so cold. Yes, I now only use cold water to wash my high porosity hair. Next thing I do is scrub my scalp with this mix of salt, honey and oil. I figured out if my skin needs to be scrubbed to stay healthy, my scalp may need that too. Especially since I cut down my wash days to once a month. I basically just apply the preparation to my scalp and scrub. I do that in section by section, so I do not miss any spots. This has helped me a lot with removing the black spots on my scalp I got from fungal infection that was on my face and my scalp years ago. After I rinse that out, I go in with the shampoo. I put it in an applicator bottle and add a little bit of water. This makes it easy to apply as I don't keep applying the product to the same spot and I don't waste it by pouring too much. I do this twice, but the second time I take down the twists one after the other and scrub my scalp while making sure I am washing the length of my hair too. One thing I can say about this shampoo now is that it's very fragrance free. Like, it just has this natural smell of oils and butters, and it just has this natural smell. It is very good for those who don't like fragrances in their products, but me, I like it small, just small. Next thing is this deep conditioner. I feel like it is really thick and it is more of a butter than a moisturizer. I don't know, that is just what I got from the feel of it. I'm going to apply the conditioner and insist on my ends the most. Once I am done applying the deep conditioner, I go back in section by section and finger detangle. As you can see in the video, I am breaking the sections into smaller subsections so I can easily finger detangle. I no longer cover my hair with a plastic bag. My high porosity hair doesn't need that. This is one of the things I learned from working at this natural hair salon. Like, being in contact with so many different textures, so many different lengths and porosities and all that gives me the opportunity to actually try things and see how they work. Like, not like I'm using my client's hair for experimentation, no. The owner of the salon has a way she likes things to be done, and we follow them and see the results and adapt as time goes on. I also do not comb my hair in the shower anymore. I do comb my hair, but not in the shower. After I finger detangle, I do braids in the place of twists, rinse out the deep conditioner and wait for about 6 hours when all the excess water is gone before I can start moisturizing. So this is me later that day, always checking my edges as usual, wishing they were better. I do know that I have come a long way with my edges, but I also know I can go further. So I'm always asking myself, what is the next thing to do to get better edges? Now let's moisturize this. I'm going to put all my hair in a bun, then I'm going to go in braid by braid. I'm going to use this leave-in conditioner from the same brand, Kinky Nature. Again, it doesn't smell like anything. It doesn't have any fragrance, no perfume. So I'm going to apply that to my hair. Then I'm going to follow with hair grease, and only then am I going to comb. I'll use this metal comb to detangle my hair, just as I would do with the white tooth comb. I'm going to do the same thing with this. I noticed that this breaks hair a lot less. I've tried this on so many hair textures, on so many lengths, and it works just well. It reduces the breakage a lot. Now I'm going to blow dry my hair. This is not the right thing to do at this point, but I'm getting my hair braided again, and I can't sit through the pain of having hair that shrinks and tangles a lot. So this is the result at the end of the day. I just love how full my hair is now. I just wish I had more fuller edges. So this is the hair that I lost from the whole process. It's not that much considering I had my braids in for 2 months. We have come to the end of the video. Like I always say, things are definitely going to get better for you soon. Do not give up. Take care. Bye.